Okay, so tonight we're just on a cruise, because because we don't have anything to do. It's a Friday night, man, and TGA doesn't want to let me in there because let me tell you something that happened tonight. So we come to go into TGI, right? Right over there, support more. Outlet Sunshine, man. You need that one there. When me comes to door and pull up to the people them door. The people them watch you, pull up to the people them door. We have a dress code, you cannot enter. I'm like, okay, cool. I respect the law. Boom, one man said, look in there. Let me look in there. I see people in the same dress code as me.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If made upon the beat and you can see on the screen. It's not a good look, my people. It's not a good look coming out of Jamaica because of this establishment seems to be turning certain dollies away because of their dress code policy. But as you've seen in the beginning of the video, what policy are they really talking about? You see what I say? So let's take a listen to what the Dahlia say and then we'll proceed with the next.
So I say about that weird same time now I see 4 girls are passing at the same dress code as me outside. Wow, go right in there. So I went to the security and I say, oh, I mean, tell me this. What is the dress code? Oh, no, short skirt or short shorts and no top like that where you see your belly. And so I said, then I want that in there, so. The supervisor said they are okay. So I said the supervisor said, well, them have on, like when me have on, okay. But me can't go in there and them can't go in there. Yeah, I say it's alright, you do your job. I'm just take some picture. I can post them.
Yeah, I'm still here trying to figure out what the real issue is. As you can see, Scotterell said, this establishment soon will be begging people to come patronize them establishment. This person said, they think it has something to do, with the thickness and all of these things. And you can see other people said they got turned away to at other establishments for the same reason, like Club Taboo and things. You see me? Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next because this possibly might be a lawsuit, don't it? Quick update, and it has to do with Buttercup. We broke the story yesterday exclusively that, Homeboy is being deported back to Jamaica after, he fulfills, his time in prison. As you know, he was charged for manslaughter and all of these good stuff. I put things in our boy face and I want a ring sort and them things there. And was pulled over for traffic violations and all of these good stuff. But me just want to show you the deportation letter where the officer did look for some more cases upon him and things, you see me? And that's what you're looking at right now. You can look at the bottom of the screen. It says deportation officer and things. As you know, people are saying this is his karma because, say he's responsible for taking Joe's life that night there. Road Dog did an act of fool and I give problems. You see me? But me just want giving a quick update while going for not to go on. You see me? And it has to deal with former dancehall queen, turned dancehall artist, Queen Nikki. Yes, it seems like she's expecting her 4th baby. But not the comment section what you think about that because this is the new man that has been in her life for the past couple of years, if you know what I mean. She took the time out to, address her fans and, show the sonogram and all of these good stuff. You see me? As you know, her last baby daddy was Marvin the Beast. Yeah, we see all that ended up in December, but nevertheless, she went on a beauty bling show and, chopped it up for a little bit and things. So let's hear what I'm going to go on and proceed with the next.
You and the stroller, pushing, walking. Oh my God, Nikki, I have to call my husband. I have to tell him I want a baby. I can't do this. But I don't want to want the baby by myself. You know, I don't used to having baby by myself.
Wait till him come home. That's the best thing, sweetie.
By the time he comes home, I'm going to be almost 60.
So that means he's not your husband anymore.
You're saying it's the military's husband?
Okay. But you will see him same way.
You're not understanding. I want when I'm in the bed and I can't Ross move one foot, him take up it and move it for me. That's what I want. I don't want to can't move one foot and I feel call Ari, Logie. No. They have to sleep to go to school the next morning.
I understand. It is sad. So you're gonna wait?
I don't know what I'm doing. If I don't get the baby, I'm just going to start modeling my lingerie line.
Okay. Wish you all the best.
The best is wished. Thank you. Well, Nikki, it's nice seeing you and congratulations.
Thank you, baby. Bye.
Bye, my love.
Yes, it seems like all of the dancehall queens is now having children. As you know, Talib, Slap It Up, she had, her child a couple of years ago, and things. And it just seems like it's Daima, the only one left, for do the youth thing. Anyway, people, let's proceed. Because TikTokers is saying that Rosealee finally meets her twin. Because them say everybody have a twin in their life. And unfortunately, that one year, her fear on. As you know, Rosealee is going through some things right now. Because, a man, they get caught in, the bed and things with man, So, yeah, her twin is cheering her up, So let's take a quick listen and we proceed.
To show you, since you talk too much, right? Oh, you are dead. Oh, my dear. Oh, let me even lie down for you because the way you are dead right now, I want to show you what is going to happen to you right now. Oh, you are dead. You are finished. You are freaking finished. Let me show you. You are dead. This is you right now. That is you. You are dead. You are dead. The person that is here. The person that is here right now. Oh my goodness. Roro. You don't have a chance. Siri. Not even Siri. Alexa. Play Don't Worry by Bob Marley. Mrs. Jamaica. Learn to stand on your own 2 feet. You don't need a man, girl. Matrix! My king is back! Guys, Triples, you talk too much. Busy, how dare you come here and you tell me to take out my gum? Are you normal? You yourself, you think you're going to come here with your nose ring that looks like I don't even know. Like somebody's practicing how to pierce. You will not win. Bet me.
He called me a ghetto hoe, and I told him, why yes, I enjoy urban gardening.
My brother's playing on the Alexa right now. I miss you too, Habibi. I'm coming to you after I beat this girl last game. I'm coming to you, Habibi. I know you can hear me. Matrix is your father from now on. Okay? Is that clear? Matrix is your papa. You ask for things. You see how it backfires on you. Do you see? How are you going to afford the glamorous wedding you were wanting with 20k points? How are you going to afford that wedding? You are calling TMZ. How is TMZ going to come with 20,000 points? He's not your mate. He's not even my mate. Okay. Game over. Okay. Let me even freshen up. Let me even freaking freshen up. This man is vicious. Hey! Matrix! Turn Up Tuesday. I think Tuesday is my favorite day, guys. I love Turn Up Tuesday. I love Turn Up Tuesday. Oh my gosh. But you know what? At least you can take Matrix to bring your father to work day. And you can say, my father's a boss. At least you can do that. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Let him come. At least you can go, you can take him to school with you since you're still a little girl. Uncle Steve. And you can say, my father is a boss. This man wants to crucify it. Oh my goodness. Hi. Everybody comment Matrix in the freaking comment section. Everybody comment Matrix in the freaking comment section. You are talking so much, right? Can you take out your nose piercing? Can you take out that necklace there that is carrying so many people's futures? Can you take off that necklace? Rosealee, I'm not playing this game with you. Can you take off that necklace right now? You told me to take out my gum. That was public shame and scrutiny. Can you take out your necklace? There's so many people's futures being carried in there. Can you take that thing out immediately? Rosealee, Rosa, don't try me. Can you take that thing off? Already you are freaking losing. Now you want to come here with stubbornness. What's worse? Hey, TikTok is not your thing anymore. I need a personal fan. TikTok is not your thing anymore, baby girl. I need a personal fan.
Yeah, one bag of wagger and one don't. Anyway, people, I'm not go along with this no longer. Just giving them quick updates from where I go on for not to go on. You send me so you haven't subscribed yet. I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell and press on. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.